Hi all, let's see queue in Shisha. A queue is a collection of items which stores in FIFO style, that is first in first out style. For example, when a group of people standing in a queue, the person who comes first will move first. The same logic is applying here. The item which you added first in a queue will retrieve first. Shisha supports both generic and non-generic queue collection class. Recommended to use generic queue collection class because it contains elements of a specified type and also it provides compile time checking and doesn't perform boxing and unboxing. By using enqueue method, we can add elements to the queue. The dequeue method returns the first element from the queue and removes it. The peek method returns the firstly added item from the queue but doesn't remove it. Let's see how to create a queue and access. He created a console application. By using queue class, we can create a queue inside the angle bracket, provide the type which you want. Here I'm going to insert integer value, so providing int type object dot. Using enqueue method, we can insert values into the queue. Enqueue inside the parenthesis, provide the value. Like this, we can add more values. Let's add two more values. Now this queue having a three items. By using for each, we can iterate values from a queue and print it. Let's see. Here printing values in the queue. Let's execute and check. When accessing values from the queue, the item which we inserted first only retrieved first because queue works in FIFO style. Here we inserted 1 as first value so that 1 is printing first, the second one is 2, the third one is 3. We can also use dequeue method to retrieve values from the queue, but after retrieving it, it will remove from the queue. Let's see. Why? Queue object that if count greater than 0, before printing, let's print the queue count before access. This is after access. Let's execute and check. Before using dequeue method, the count of the queue is 3. After using dequeue method, the count of the queue is 0. So when retrieving values from the queue using dequeue method, it will remove it also. Next, the peek method of the queue always print first item of the queue like this. This will print 1 because the first item is 1. If we call again the peek method, it again print 1 because the peek method always return first item only. And we can also use contains method to check whether the value exists in queue or not like this. This will return true because 2 is exist in the queue. This will return false because value 5 is not exist in this queue. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.